So we all know how to create OR logic in GTM. The way to do that, if you don't know, is you go into the tag itself and you just add multiple triggers to the tag. And then it provides this kind of OR logic. So this trigger could be true or this trigger could be true. Now, what if I want AND logic? So in the case of consent mode, we want somebody to consent and for a different trigger to be true. Let's say they land on the view item page, but they haven't consented. So we want them to land on the view item page. The tag should fire, but it should also only fire if they've consented and landed on the view item page. So you can see I've created AND logic here, view item, and the consent needs to be true. So I'll show you how I can do that with the form trigger. So we go to triggers, then go to new. I'm going to just type consent form trigger. I'll just say consent form, actually. That's the formatting I've been using. And then if you scroll down here on this area, choose trigger type, click on trigger group, and then you can select more than one trigger. So in my case, it's going to be the contact form and the consent is true. So it's going to be where is it? Right here. Consent update needs to be true and somebody triggered the form. And now I update the tags that are using the form. So in this case, the Twitter lead. By the way, this is an easy way to edit tags. If you click on here after you've checked it, uncheck that. It's really good for editing multiple tags. Consent form. And you can see I've swapped it. You see, you can edit multiple tags this way. Twitter subscription. So I'm going to do that with the newsletter as well. Go to triggers. Click on new. So consent. Same deal. Scroll down, trigger group. Oops, plus button. Newsletter. And consent. Where is it? Here it is. For just a single one, you can just edit it. Here it is. Perfect. So that's how you do AND logic. Okay, hopefully that was useful. When I discovered that, I was pretty happy about it. I was like, how do you do AND logic? How do you make it so two tags need to be true in order for, or sorry, how do you enable it so two triggers need to be true in order for the tag to fire? Well, that's how you do it. You create a trigger group. All right, everyone, have a good one. Hopefully that was useful.